center. Okay, so there's the center. Now, this is the same as the last time. It's a 1/2 inch grid, but notice, it's a 1/2 inch along the 45, not along the horizontal. If you draw a 1/2 inch along the horizontal, your box will look like a mess. Most common mistake in this one. So we set our ruler on our triangle, and now we make a grid. A 1/2 inch. Okay? And we're going to do the same thing the other direction. Okay? Now, our black pencil, we'll just fill in all of those tick marks. They're 05. Flip it over to the other side. And we have our 45. Okay? What about all these little guys? Those little guys are hatching. Hatching is how you show that show the inside of something. When we cross-section something, we'll often hatch inside it so that you can show that it's solid. With hatching, we're going to use the 03 because they're tiny little lines really close together, right? Now, we need to figure out how many of them there are. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even spaces. Well, that's aggravating, because they're a 1/2 inch across, and I don't have fifths on my ruler, right? I've got eighths. How many eighths are in a 1/2 inch?
4.
I need 5 of them. So if I tip my ruler until I get 5/8 inside that circle, or inside that square, and I just made it, I can just barely fit 5/8 in there. Okay? So, I'm going to draw a little line there. But I gotta go tick, 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 tick. Okay, good. Now, using my little tiny 03 pencil, sorry about that. I just put those in the wrong spot. I'm supposed to be down here.
Why didn't you use blue? It's not, because it's too big.
Yeah, because the blue's like my blue's an 07, and we'd never be able to tell where exactly everything hit. But we can come back in and erase it. If it hurts your sensibilities, which it clearly does, that's why there's all these different shaped holes on your eraser shield. You can get in there and do that, and then do the other side like this, and still protect the lines you want to keep. Right? Now, we take our 45, slap it up here, and notice the hatching goes in every other square. But the 03 lead is really soft and easy to break. You're not doing anything wrong, it just happens. Check it out. See how I'm going off? See all those lines look terrible? What did I forget to do? My T-square wasn't square, right? Time to erase and try that again. But the center one's okay. Now I need to do that all over this thing. Well, again, I'm a phenomenally lazy man and not interested in that much work. Measuring 5/8 every time, too hard. I'm going to take the corner of an assignment, a piece of paper. So I got a nice square corner there. And I'm going to make myself a tick strip. I'll line that corner up right perfectly on those two pencil lines, right? I'm going to take my little 03 pencil and I'm going to transfer those lines onto my tick strip. See it? So then, all I got to do is slide down here, line it up again, and I can, without touching my ruler, without tipping it around and reading it wrong and getting them in the wrong place, I can transfer those ticks all the way through this box. Is that someone's phone or just someone being loud? That was someone's phone. All right. So then again, we just transfer these up and down every other box.